Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. So it's 7 days before Christmas and I would like to greet everyone Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. So for today's episode guys, I'm super excited because we are going back to Philippines outlet mall. So because I have received lots of inquiries regarding this one, so we are going back shopping at 158 Designers Boulevard. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. A vlog about the latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I am inviting you to join our growing and loving fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and I will be happy to welcome you to our fam. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Ramira5 so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so the reason why we are going back at 158 Designers Boulevard. So number one, I have been receiving lots of comments, questions, and suggestions that I go back to this outlet mall here located at Alabang Town Center in the Philippines. And then also guys, we have actually received a text message that the SSI group of companies, so they're the ones who is housing the 158 Designers outlet mall. So they said they have a huge holiday or Christmas sale. So we immediately went there to check what's new. So let's make this quick. Let's enjoy shopping. Hi guys, good morning. So we are on another shopping adventure. Please join me because we are going to 158 Designers Boulevard. So they have actually sale there. I'm going to post this on my Instagram story so you can go while they're still on sale. So just for a quick OOTD. So again, I'm wearing my all black uniform. Here are my giant rings, YSL rings, if you could see. Of course, my favorite stacked rings. Then of course, I'm wearing my very favorite baby Chanel #1. And then of course, for my shoes, I'm wearing a different kind of monster shoes. So hope you enjoy this episode. This will be fun. See ya! Hi guys, so we are here at Alabang Town Center. So we have received a text message regarding the mega sale of 158 Designers Boulevard. So we are going to check what they have. So we are going to visit different stores. So Prada, YSL, Balenciaga, and more. So I hope I could share a lot with you guys. So stay tuned. Ilan yung ano yan? Ito, 55 off. For 7. Ilan yung ano nito? Marami. Ito wallet. Pero meron din siyang card. 14.
So 35 at 7,000.
Parang ito yung pinakamura.
Kaya 7. Kasi may ano na siya eh.
Kasama na siya.
May konting scratch. ko yung design nito.
Mas okay kasi yung style nito.
Ito last piece na.
Yes po.
Last piece na. Magkasama. Mas malaki ko. Ano yung dito? Ayun, parang 9. 9.4. Kasha sa bag. Kasha yun.
Dito po sa akin wala po sa mga department store.
35. May strap to, diba?
Yes, po.
Ang cute. Pero kapag di na natanggal yung itong mga tarnish na. Kapag suede, anong care dun sa suede? Yung bukod sa LED, suede eraser ba sabi mo?
Meron din po pang spray sa suite po para hindi
25. Tapos ito, 35. Anong maganda? Yung pinaka-top. Pinaka-top naman. Ano to? Parang shoulder bag lang. 50, no?
Yes.
50,000.
50,000 after discount. From 100. 60 off na.
May pocket. Ayun nga, di ba naghahanap ako ng Kelly style na?
Magkano?
103, discounted na siya. Yung 103.
May strap ka.
Meron. Tapos with strap kasi meron siyang ano, lagay ng shoulder strap.
Ito nga ano mo, 40.
Ayaw mo yung 50? Ako I like the 50, honestly.
Mga costo pa kayo.
Yeah. 87. Body ko yung ano, yung may zipper tapos meron ano, heart slash 6,450. Ito 7. Hi guys, so we have just finished here at 158 Designers Boulevard in Red Tab. So unfortunately there are not much new selection from the last time that we visited, especially with Prada, and I was talking to the SA of Red Tab there upstairs in Prada, and they said that there is a good chance that they may not replenish their stocks anymore, but again, who knows. So if you have any time or chance to drop by, please already check them out. And then the other one, the 158 Designers Boulevard with Givenchy, YSL. It's a little bit difficult to film, so I wasn't able to get any update for you on that. So hopefully you enjoyed this episode, guys.
So guys, we are done with shopping and I'm super starving. So we are here. We are going to have Korean barbecue. Let's eat. There, how did you like our shopping episode for today? So hopefully you enjoyed this one. So there are a couple of things that I was really looking forward when we went there. So of course, my favorite brand product can be located at 158 or Red Tag. plus also YSL. As you know, I'm such a huge fan of the Cassandra top handle, and I was wishing and praying that this would be on sale as well. So unfortunately guys, there are a couple of not so good news. So we firstly would be on a different, well, on one part of the store of 158 Designers Boulevard that carries Givenchy, YSL, Alexander McQueen. I really wanted to film inside. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to because they're a little bit stricter on that part of the outlet mall. I'm not really sure why, but when we went upstairs at Red Tag at Prada, this one guys, I'm a little bit shocked because unfortunately they don't have new items for Prada. They do have Tory Burch though, so that's good. So they added Tory Burch because previously I'm not really sure if Tory Burch was there, so that's new. But for Prada, I was talking to the SA who was assisting me, and she said that she is not sure if they are really going to add more items on their current inventory because the store, the bags that they have there, honestly guys, they are the same bags that I've seen from the last time that I've visited, and that was like what, 6-7 months ago. So they're not adding new inventory. So the SA mentioned that the text message that I got would be from the actual source, because with the text message that I got, it says there Balenciaga. So we were expecting, because with the previous year, pre-pandemic, what SSI would be doing, or the Designers Boulevard would be doing, once you receive this text, what they would be doing, they would be pulling all of the designer brand from Gucci, YSL, Alexander McQueen, Givenchy, and they would be pulling it together for one huge holiday sale. Unfortunately, this year they're not doing that. Maybe it's still because of pandemic, and they said that it's better that you go directly at the boutique. So that's what we would be doing. So I think what I also love maybe on this visit would be, yes, at Salvatore Ferragamos. So there are really cute bags. There are flap bags that I'm really lusting for. There's a bag there, the one worth 50,000 pesos. Unfortunately, I was asking if they have new stock, because when I have carefully inspected this bag, it's I think 50 or 60% sale. There are a lot of scratches with the leather. As beautiful as the design is, unfortunately, I have to say no, because that is the last piece. They don't have new items for this one. Then I also tried, you know, the pants for Kate Spade. I really love it. I was looking for, you know, a coat that would go with it. Unfortunately, they don't have any coat. But hopefully, guys, my recommendation, if you are going to look for the holiday sale, it's still on right now, the day that I'm posting. So the holiday sale of SSI is still live. So I would suggest you go directly at, maybe at Greenbelt 3. Go directly at the store. So we have there Prada, we have Givenchy, we have Balenciaga, we have Gucci, or maybe you could go to SOLAIRE. Just go directly shop at the stores directly rather than going at the 158 Designers Boulevard. Alright, so before we end our episode for today, let's do con of the day. I would love to say thank you to Charles. Charles, thank you so much for the super sweet and amazing feedback. Really appreciate this one, and welcome to the fam. Again guys, I'm inviting you to please join our loving and growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here, so you can easily subscribe to our growing and loving family. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Mirify, so you could get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Again guys, I would like to greet everyone Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Please stay safe. I will see you on our next episode. Bye!